Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to share something that we all struggle with, which is getting our work done. Whether it be maintaining relationships or making sure कि हम अपना काम complete करें before the deadline and making sure that we do move our body every day. So I know I've been there, I still do that. So this is a reminder for everyone how you can get all of your things done. So the answer to doing everything and making everything possible is being consistent. Now consistency is not about making sure कि आप बड़े बड़े काम करो हर रोज. It's about doing little tasks every day so as to they form your habit. According to 2009 study published in European Journal of Social Psychology, they stated that it almost takes 66 days for any person to form a new habit so as to make sure that it becomes an automatic habit. For example, when we get up in the morning, हमें पता है हमने उठ के brush करना ही है. So that is a habit that is instilled in us since childhood. So if you want anything to be a part of it, you have to do it for at least 66 days with pure intentions that you are going to make this automatic in your life. So being consistent would be, even if I don't want to work out today, I would still wear my sports shoes and I would still go out for a walk. That's how I would like to move my body. If I don't want to do a hardcore exercise, I am still making sure that my body is moving. So that is doing the small task every day so as to not miss a day. So there are 5 ways of getting your things done, and let's dive in. Check in with yourself regularly. Understand what your body and mind goes through and what it likes and what it doesn't like. Is there anything जिससे आपको लगता है कि आप अपना काम complete नहीं करोगे? For example, it may sound very funny, but whenever I have a heavy breakfast, then I feel very sloggy and I don't end up doing a lot of work. In fact, majority of my day then becomes very lazy. So that is the reason why I feel more active, more agile when I skip my breakfast. I'm not asking you to do it, it's just what I feel works for me. So make sure that you check in with yourself regularly and see what works for you. किस चीज़ से आप ज़्यादा इंस्पायर होते हो एंड कौन सी चीज़ है जिससे आप थोड़ा डीमोटिवेटेड हो जाते हो एंड यू गेट नथिंग डन. द सेकंड वन इज परफेक्ट टाइम. Firstly, there's nothing known as perfect, but there would be a time which will be apt for you to do your activities. Are you a morning person or a night person? If I want to get things done, I'm going to get up even half an hour earlier than to wake up later at night because मेरा mind रात में इतना ज़्यादा नहीं चलता है. In morning, I come up with more greater ideas and more creative ideas as compared to night. That is the reason I end up working more in the morning and working out in the morning. So understand what is your perfect time of doing what all things you want to do, and don't miss that time because that is your body asking you to make sure that you do things for it. The third one is to make a crisp priority list. Just write 3 things that you want to get done that day and don't overwhelm yourself with little things to do. अगर आप सिर्फ 3 चीज़ें लिखोगे जो आपको करनी है, you are more likely to end up just being focused on those things and you will complete your tasks. Don't waste time doing the little things that don't matter too much to you and just write the ones that matter the most to you and they are going to make your day more productive. The fourth one is don't give up. So whenever we start a new habit, for example, drinking more water, for example, starting a meditation practice, so there are going to be a lot of roadblocks and distractions that are going to come to you. But remember, now whenever you get up in the morning, smile every day and make things happen. Get going and find less time to find distractions and make sure that you are spending your time with the people who motivate you and who take you out of your comfort zone, not dig you deeper into things that you don't want to do and waste your time on. And the last one is baby steps. If you are new to reading and if you are making this your habit, what I would recommend is that don't promise yourself to read a book within 10 days. Make it a ritual of just reading maybe 3 to 4 pages before going to sleep so as to make sure that this becomes your rhythm of the day. You know what to do before you go to sleep and you'd actually enjoy reading it more than feeling like a burden. And I would highly recommend you using the habit stacking method, which is that if you are already doing something, just attach a new habit to that. For example, if you want to start on a meditation, then you can just start doing that after you take your bath. When you are attaching a new habit to an older habit, it is more likely to stick. कोई भी नई चीज लाइफ में लाना is very difficult, but if you attach it to an old habit, you are more likely to sustain it. So guys, these are like the general ways of applying consistency and being consistent with the things that you want to do in your life every day, so as to make sure that you complete all your goals and the most important thing is कि आप कोई भी चीज़ जो भी लाइफ में करना चाहते हो उसको एक बर्डन के जैसे मत फील करो. Make it more fun, make it more creative, and make sure that you don't feel burdened and overwhelmed with all of these things. Even if you don't get something done that day, it's okay. Don't beat yourself, it is totally okay. So this is all I wanted to share with you, and make sure that if you like this video and you like such content, you are subscribed to my channel and you like and share this with your friends who might find this useful. And I'll see you guys again in my next